Bonjour.
Bonjour, monsieur.
Comment allez-vous?
So where are we going today?
We'll head kind of northish. There's a couple of big natural park naturels. We'll go up them.
Sounds good.
Batter it through the twisties up there.
Yep. Sounds good.
Catch you later.
See you later. So Graham, how did you sleep last night?
Brilliant.
Good.
If the music went off.
Aye, I know.
Yeah. Nice campsite though. It's been a scorcher of a day.
So we've planned a thrill hunt me to go through some park naturals. See how that goes.
200 mile. See how we go on.
It's fair, there's fair bits, so it should be good, man.
Yeah.
Should be good. Alrighty.
Right.
Adios, muchacho. Couple of cars coming here. We are going right. Now there's the concert details there. Apparel concert. The Lincoln turntable. Come on, you fucking boozy old cunt. He's on back brake. This is the first place we've hit that has actually given me that kind of touring, going left by the way, that kind of touring, French, anisey type, going to what's it called, Monaco type vibes. Beautiful way to this is. Camping village on a cruise. This is a 5-star. Really cool. So you're upright. I'll do the same. Pool looks busy. So what do you think, Graham? Do you think we're going to get in?
Yeah. Didn't get in the last place, too busy.
See how this goes. This looks like a cracking wee place. La Haute de Mainville. Going right at the junction of my road. I'm up your left, John. Looking very good there, so you are my friends. Looking very good. Yeah, okay. Ooh, I think he's kept running everything, maybe, yes?